Hey everybody, and welcome to week 4 of EDU6550. It seems like we all just talked yesterday. Well, half of us did, and the other half of us talked on Sunday. But here I am again with a video for week 4, and we're getting ready to move to the halfway point of our course, and things are going to start moving really fast for you. So I want to give you some pointers. No content this particular one. Did a lot of content in the data chats both on Sunday and Tuesday. Don't forget to do your summary. Remember 3 points in your summary: what you learned, what you're going to use now, and what you might use when you become an administrator. Post that in the portal under coursework week 3. You'll find a video data chat piece there. Week 4, very important. The first thing in week 4 is going to be the midterm exam. That's right, the midterm, which covers data-wise chapters 1 to 4 and leverage leadership chapter 1. As I told you guys both in last week's email and also in the video chats, there are 5 questions, 5 essay questions. I sent you the 5 topics. That's what I'm looking for you to answer. I'm looking for a well thought out answer supported by evidence and reasoning as to why you're going to do what you're going to do in those particular situations. So that's part 1 of this week. You have until 7/17 to take the midterm exam at 11:55 p.m. Don't forget, you've got a 4-hour time limit, and that time limit starts from the moment you log in. You can't log in a second time, so make sure you're ready to do it when you're ready to get started. And don't try and do it 11 o'clock on the 17th, because at 11:55 it's going to kick you out. So again, get that done as soon as you get a chance. In week 4, we're going to keep moving forward. Summer class, things happen fast, and you're reading Data-Wise Chapter 5 and Leverage Leadership Chapter 2. I'm going to talk about both those chapters in my next video once we've gotten past the midterm exam. And those two go along with the week 4 discussion forum. Again, make sure you try and post your initial post for week 4 by Monday, and then you post your response post by Wednesday of next week. The last thing for this week are the data chats. That's right, tomorrow night, another data chat. I told some of you last night I might see you again in 2 nights. The rest of you I'll see on Sunday. And when I set up these dates a while ago, they were based on my schedule. I was supposed to be away this next week, which is why I did them the way I did, space them out. And now I'm not, I'm here. But that's okay, because we're going to data chat again. I sent out that piece on Monday night. I'll attach it again to this email in case you lost it. That the next data set number 2, we're going to talk about on July 11th or 14th, again at 7 p.m. And I'll send the link out around 6:55 p.m. for you to be prepared for that particular data chat. That's it for week 4. But I'm going to tell you, weeks 5, 6, and 7 go by really quick, ladies and gentlemen. In week 5, you've got data-wise chapters 6 and 7. You've got the week 5 discussion forum, and you've got a data chat in addition to the John Hattie research paper. Now, 2 of you sent me your paper to look at. I gave you some pointers and things to look at. You've gone ahead and updated them and uploaded them. I have not looked at them yet, but I will in the coming weeks. Got a lot of events going on in Hillsborough County right now, and I'm just taking a break from my other work so I can do this video with you guys. But do make sure you get the John Hattie research paper done. That's due by 7/24. Today is July 10th in my calendar, so that gives you approximately 2 weeks to get the John Hattie paper in. And as a reminder, it goes in the portal, not chalk and wire. That's a big change from some of our other assignments because of what the college has done. In week 6, you're reading Chapter 8 of Data-Wise and Chapter 3 of Leverage Leadership. You've got the Data and Assessment Proposal. That's WCG number 5. Next video, I will talk more about both 4 and 5 that are coming up in week 6. You've got the discussion forum in week 6, and you've got the last data chat in week 6. So we will have 4 total data chats, 4 data sets for you to look at, and 4 submissions. Week 7 is cut into 2 parts. The first part is chapters 9 and 10. And Leverage Leadership Chapter 7. Notice we're not doing the entire Leverage Leadership book, only chapters 1, 2, and 3, and then Chapter 7. There is no discussion post during week 7 because it's very, very short, but you do have that last assignment due WCG number 4. And then finally, the final exam, week 7.5, is from 8.5 to 8.8. Same kind of exam as the first one. I'll give you more pointers. Covers the second half of the Data-Wise book and chapters 2, 3, and 7 in Leverage Leadership. I did want to get this video out to you guys tonight to get ready for this week because the midterm does open. My clock says 9:34, so approximately 2.5 hours. That exam will open up for you. Whenever you're ready to take it, go ahead in and do it. If you're not one of those people that does it ahead of time and you wait till like Tuesday of next week, you'll start to get emails from me. Hey, you haven't done your exam? Don't forget. I'll send them out on Wednesday morning as a reminder because that's the final day. You can do the exam on 7/17. Of course, you always have questions. Feel free to text me, email me. Let's have a discussion if you're not sure about something. Or just stop me tomorrow night in the chat, Sunday in the chat if you have questions. A lot of these same reminders will come up again. But like I said, I will go over in more detail what I'm looking for on the last two WCG assignments, numbers 4 and 5. Don't forget, you're submitting them in reverse order. Number 5 is due first. Number 4 is due last. Hope you guys have a great night. I'll see a bunch of you tomorrow night on the data chat at 7 p.m. The rest of you I'll see on Sunday. Have a great rest of your week, guys.